Hello, I'm Paul from the InstantChiro.com website, and today we're talking about the Arthrosim and Vibracussor adjusting tools. I've been using these instruments for over 10 years, and it's the first purchase I recommend for my coaching clients. That's because the results generate real wow adjustments with huge range of motion changes and reduction in pain. A wow adjustment really is the magic that grows your clinic. The Arthrosim operates on the low beta somatomotor neuron level of 12 to 14 beats per second, which is a frequency that the brain and body communicate on, and that is what allows it to unlock the joint's range of motion, and you can see this in real time, even on X-ray. The Vibracussor is the industry-leading percussion tool for extensive soft tissue and joint changes. Whether increasing range of motion, function, reducing trigger points, or working on scar tissue or fascia, this tool has it all. And all in a convenient handheld package, which saves your thumbs. But you're only as good as your knowledge, and that's why there are so many courses available for instant streaming on InstantChiro.com. Learn from some of the great instructors, Dr. Alan Creed, Dr. George Gonzalez, Dr. Slosky, and of course myself, Dr. Paul Lindsay. With over 150 individual videos and some free videos, there really is a wealth of information available to you there. InstantChiro.com also hosts the Instant Chiro Show, featuring coaching, interviews with the greats, product reviews, and some irreverent comedy. So if you want the best adjusting instruments in the world and the best training, head to booth 321 or online at InstantChiro.com.